Scratching. Don't put 'em on. You could have gotten in one.
Can I get in too?
Turn around. Turn around. Look at her. I don't have one. She has right.
Did you take a picture?
Turn around.
Videotaping.
Turn around.
I did.
Again. Look at
Look at my grandmother blind.
I think you could get in one leg.
Oh, that's hilarious. Okay. They stretch, so you could grow.
It's for when I'm bloated. These are my stretchy pants.
Thanksgiving. She can get in one side, one leg.
My twin.
Couldn't move very well.
Well, I'm a mermaid.
Well, it's not. It's a medium. Oh my word, that's funny.
It's a pencil type
I
skirt.
want, those are